Thanks to our Patreon supporters, Time Team is back. We brought together old friends and new faces to bring you fantastic coverage of two very different sites.
My grandfather's shovel.
The cavalry's arrived.
We're using cutting-edge technology to delve deep into a mysterious Iron Age Fogou.
Yeah, something pretty special.
Fly over the site of a huge Roman villa.
Archaeology's power to surprise.
And uncover secrets inside the walls of an amazing Tudor castle. We have cameras positioned all over the site to capture the highs.
That is absolutely brilliant. I love you.
And the lows.
Basically, there was nothing in there.
We examine finds from the outside and the inside.
What a fantastic thing. I really, really want one.
I feel a bit nervous.
If you're going to be sick, let me know.
As we bring you closer than ever to the archaeology.
I guess this is the future of the past.
Join us for the episode premieres on the Time Team official YouTube channel with exclusive previews, after-show live events and extra insights on Patreon. My name's Tim Taylor and I'm delighted to make this announcement.